We're outside. It's raining, but that didn't stop us. We still brought our monster trucks here. Who's first? Oh, look at that! It's Megalodon, and he's headed out in the rain. Oh no! Who's the next one we have? Look at that! It's El Toro, and the one you've been waiting for, Gravedigger. Look how big he is! Oh, he's gonna run you over. Whoa! Oh, we've got a rat going here. Got you. Uh-oh. I'm gonna climb right over you if you don't watch it.
I can escape.
Can you go backwards? Uh-oh, it's a three-way crash.
I might need some help.
There you go. Oh, he's already getting in a wreck. Oh, he's running over Megalodon. Woo! Running brother over. Oh.
Let's push him.
Poor Megalodon. You know what? Megalodon was tired of getting run over by Gravedigger, so he found a friend to help him. Waha! All right, Gravedigger, you better watch out. Here we come. Now Gravedigger's on the run. Where you going, Gravedigger? Oh, crash and burn. Gravedigger got it. There they go. Run, Gravedigger. Oh, crash and burn. It's like bumper cars in here. Here comes Megalodon. There he goes. Oh! Uh-oh. He may not survive. Oh! Oh, is he still alive? He's still alive! We built a ramp for Gravedigger. He's tired of running from the Jeep, so he's going over the ramp. Here we go, Gravedigger. That was awesome. Let's try it again. Here we go. Nice. Go ahead. Nice. And a wreck, too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Hey, why don't I ramp onto his car?
I don't know if that's gonna work.
Can I try?
You can try.
It might be safer if he gets out.
Whoa! He's about to go down the stairs. After that monster truck. Uh-oh, he's up in the treehouse. He's gonna come down the slide. El Toro Loco, you better look out! Poor El Toro. Uh-oh. I really hope you enjoyed this fun video with this amazing monster truck, the Monster Jam Gravedigger, and it is a really cool remote control car. And thanks for watching, everyone. Talk to you later. Bye!